Welcome to We Learn Network. This is session 10 on data storage management. In this session, we are going to cover topic data on disk, volume management, data as blocks, the SCSI protocol and logical units, block aggregation, abstraction physical storage, physical to virtual, storage metadata integrity, and storage ports. Now, as you know, in the previous session, we have already discussed about how the data file path is to be maintained and the size and related to data about information. But now we are discussing here about data on the disk. In the data about disk, there is the file data and its associated metadata control information are मैनेज बाय द फाइल सिस्टम. जैसे कि हमने पिछले सेशन में मेटा डाटा के बारे में पढ़ा था. मेटा डाटा कंटेन्स दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द डाटा. सो ये सारी जो मेटा डाटा की हमारी इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है ये सारी मैनेज की जाती है फाइल के थ्रू. एंड दिस फाइल एंड ऑल द फाइल्स अंडर इट्स चार्ज, चाहे उसके जितने भी फाइल्स के होता है उसकी रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है ये सब फाइल के अंडर में होता है. एंड दे आर अल्टीमेटली स्टोर्ड समवेयर ऑन द फिजिकल स्टोरेज मीडिया. आपका जो फिजिकल स्टोरेज जहाँ डाटा एक्चुअली जहाँ स्टोर हो रहा है ये आपका वहाँ किसी भी एक लोकेशन पे डाटा आपका वहीं स्टोर होता है. एंड इफ़ यू डिस्कस अबाउट इन द मेटामॉर्फिज्म ऑफ डाटा इन इट्स फाइल फ्रॉम टू डाटा एज ब्लॉक ऑन डिस्क. डाटा जब हमारा स्टोर होता है तो वो एक हमारे ब्लॉक के अंदर होता है, एक फिक्स साइज होता है. एंड एडिशनल लेयर्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आर रिक्वायर्ड टू कंप्लीट द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. आपके डाटा को कंप्लीट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के लिए हमारे इसके अंदर कई एडिशनल लेयर्स होती हैं जो हमें ज़रूरत पड़ती है ताकि हम डाटा उसके अकॉर्डिंग गेट कर सकें. एंड देयर आर सम वॉल्यूम लाइक यू कैन से अबाउट 8,000 of the file system can be block size. Example I would like to tell that devote 8,000. अगर आपको 8,000 of the file capacity like you say KB में आपकी फाइल है and the capacity of file contain only 32 byte of data. So file that your file is of 8K and the file with 20K of data would occupy the 3 8K file system in block. As you know the size is 32 bytes and your file is with the 20K. So it will take the data will occupy 8K file for resulting 4K of unused storage. Result will be get the 4K will remain unused. So the conversely smaller block size are less suited for data access for large file such as you can say graphic and video. So file with the 128 MB data would require several 100,000 512 byte blocks. But only a few thousand like 64K size blocks here. As the discrete unit allocation you can say file fixed size of the system block may be smallest container or holding of file data because most of files are larger than the designated file system block size. A file data will span a multiple file system block within the volume. So each volume system block is a contiguous area of physical disk capacity, but the file system block containing single file data not necessarily contiguous on disk. Files data may be depressed through a volume on the multiple randomly situated the file system block on single disk or distributed over multiple disk. Now the about next is volume management. What is we discussing about वॉल्यूम मैनेजमेंट. आपको वॉल्यूम का मीन्स यू नो हाउ मच डाटा कैन इट कंटेन. आपको अगर नॉर्मली हम वॉल्यूम की बात करते हैं किसी भी चीज़ की अगर हम वॉल्यूम कंसिडर करते हैं मीन्स इट्स कैपेसिटी कितना उसमें हम आ सकता है डाटा. सो फाइल सिस्टम दैट रिसाइड ऑन द वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्टोरेज. वॉल्यूम रिप्रेजेंट द स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी ऑफ वन और मोर डिस्क ड्राइव that has been designated for use by the operating system and its applications. जैसे कि आपको बताया कि उसकी कैपेसिटी होती है जैसे कि हमारे वन और एक से ज़्यादा डिस्क हमारे ड्राइव जो है वो डिज़ाइन करती है ताकि यूजर्स जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स के एप्लीकेशन है हमारे डाटा को उसमें स्टोर कर सके. And a server for example may have one or more storage volume as its disposal, typically that can represent by disk identifier. And in window, like a local volume is referred as like C drive, network accessible volume. These are the can be maybe other are the later, like you can say M is a drive. So these are kind we say, you can say the about how to represent the volume of data where data can be stored according to the drive you can identify, and the location and the fixed size is given here. सो दिस वॉल्यूम कैन बी रेफर्ड टू सी ड्राइव. आपका डाटा जो आप सी ड्राइव में देखेंगे आपको मोस्ट ऑफ द स्पेस जो वॉल्यूम आपको मिलेगा वो सी का मिलेगा एज कम्पेयर टू आपके अदर जो ड्राइव्स होती हैं, बिकॉज दिस मोस्ट ऑफ द जितने भी सॉफ्टवेयर आपके डिसाइड होते हैं वो आपकी इसी ड्राइव के अंदर होते हैं. दैट्स वाई दे कैन बी हैव कंसिडर दिस एग्जाम्पल. एंड मोर अबाउट द वॉल्यूम स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी में मैप directly to physical drive, in which the case of the size of the volume may be limited of the size of the drive. So this one of mapping would be quickly generate a long list of the volume entries. Are the more drive are added to accommodate more capacity requirements. So direct associated between volume and a physical drive also precludes the ability to dynamically add capacity to a volume over time. Sometimes a logical volume management may be executed as an application that sits between the file system and the device driver that control input output of system. It may also reside between computer platform and its target disk. For example, virtualization appliance connect to the SAN, like already we discussed about storage area network. That is case of the RAID, the RAID we discussed already in previous session. So they control this system. So volume management and the presentation of this volume host may be reside with the form of microde and may disk controller. Data as blocks. Data as blocks means here what? आपका डाटा जो है वो हमेशा ब्लॉक्स के अंदर स्टोर किया जाता है. It can be considered of like block size can be fixed during the creation of the file system. And the few of like 512 bytes up to 512k bytes are more, and that depending on the requirement of data being stored. आप कितना डाटा आप इसमें स्टोर करें according to that block is to be maintained. And for larger file, block size can facilitate data and it access it more than data can be written or read in a single operation. Next about the SCSCI protocol and logical unit. Here about the file that track your file data, that why the in order of the file maybe table block numbers entries, and this block in turn are initially organized by the volume manager and access in one or more physical disk. आपका डाटा एक से ज़्यादा में हो सकता है because the physical disk capacity is segregated from the host system CPU and memory. An external call or input output operation is required to send or retrieve the data on the blocks. आपके ब्लॉक्स में डाटा को सेंड रिसीव करने के लिए यूज हो सकता है. इन ओपन सिस्टम यू कैन से इन्वायरमेंट लाइक द प्रोटोकॉल दैट परफॉर्म द ऑर्डरली and placement or retrieval data. So in the small computer, it can be interface or SCSI. What is here to say in front of you? SCSI is basically a protocol that operate below the file system. File system is the upper of this because it's handling everything and the volume management. So it's below the file system and value management that above the physical distribution of data block on disk, and it respond upper layer of request to send or retrieve blocks of data from a peripheral device. जैसे कि आपको डाटा रिट्रीव करने के लिए हमारे ये लेयर्स जो है वो इसके अकॉर्डिंग मैनेज करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल है यू कैन SCSA. I would like again a full form of SCSA is S stand for small and C for computer, again S for system and I for interface. That is small computer system interface protocol and logic unit. So example here, use example maybe update an online order entry and save the new information. Database application thus initiate a write request to the operating system to store data, and the operating system in turn issue a SCSA write or its request site data block to be written. SCSA protocol basically operate file volume management and above the physical distribution of data block on disk. Some responding to the upper layer request to send to retrieve block of data from peripheral device, and a user, for example, may update on an online order entry and save the new information. So the database application thus initiate a write request to the operating system to store data and operating system. Next topic about the block aggregation. In the block aggregation, data itself is organized as block. Data आपका block के अंदर और पहले ही organize किया हुआ होता है, and that is that organized as the block of contiguous stream of byte of predetermined length. वो contiguous memory में allocations हमारी provide करता है to maintain the storage, and that depending on the physical configuration of disk drive. आपका physical configuration के according भी it's matter करता है, and data blocks that compose SCSI transaction that may be written to a single large disk और डिस्प्लेस्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू मल्टीपल डिस्क इन एन एरे. आपका डाटा जो है वो ब्लॉक में आपका या तो जो आपका स्मॉल सिस्टम जो इंटरफेस है दैट इज उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो अपने लार्ज डिस्क दैट कैन बी डिस्प्रेस्ड कर सकता है एंड मल्टीपल डिस्क इन द एन एरे फॉर्मेट भी कर सकता है. And it determine how the specifically data blocks should be stored in a factor of cost and performance and data integrity requirement. ये also determine करता है कि जैसे कि आपको जो डाटा है वो ब्लॉक में स्टोर होना चाहिए या उसकी परफॉर्मेंस के अकॉर्डिंग वो चेक करता है, उसकी कॉस्ट, ये सब चीज़ें इंटीग्रिटी वो सब चीज़ें मेंटेन करते हैं इसके अंदर. तो ब्लॉक एग्रीगेशन में that support basically client server relationship in responsibility for orderly transport data between host system and its storage target. So data itself is organized as a contiguous allocation of the block. Here time because the disk drive have both mechanical and electronic components, so after contiguous operation there is eventual failure of on the disk or corruption of the disk media sector is simply matter of the time. So here you can say that improvement in the disk drive technology have increased for the mean time to failure, but finding means to compensate for the eventual failure that require for data integrity. That's about block aggregation. Next is about abstracting physical storage. Abstracting physical storage. I hope it's very clear you to the meaning of abstracting. What is abstracting? Means data is in abstracting it show you the necessary detail and the remain are hidden. That is creating a simplified logical view of complex storage asset. Complex storage asset and is predicated on separation of control information about block data placement and block data itself. डाटा जो आपका क्रिएट होता है उसमें इतनी सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में किया जाता है ताकि आपको जो नेसेसरी इन्फॉर्मेशन है बहुत इजी फॉर्मेट में आप देख सकते हैं. यू कैन गेट ओनली लॉजिकल व्यू ऑफ द कॉम्प्लेक्स स्टोरेज. लाइक अगर एग्जांपल हम छोटे से बात करते हैं, आपका जो पेन ड्राइव या यूएसबी है आप अपने सिस्टम में कनेक्ट करते हैं, आप उसमें सिर्फ व्यू देखते हैं आपका पेन ड्राइव में डाटा है नहीं है, ऑर्डर वाइज आप उसको सेट कर सकते हैं, बट इंटरनली हाउ इट लिंक योर फिजिकल टू द लॉजिकल आप जो देख रहे हो वो सॉफ्टवेयर कंटेंट है, बट आपने लिंक क्या किया हार्डवेयर, हाउ दिट्स बेसिकली लिंकिंग. सो दिस इज आर द बेसिक एब्स्ट्रैक्टिंग. सो लॉजिकल व्यू ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स स्टोरेज एसेट इज प्रेडिकेटेड ऑन separation of control information about block data placement and the block data itself. So here we will study about data about the abstracting of physical storage. The term in this session we describe about the separation of any layer in the storage software and hardware stack. So virtualization of the storage help achieve location independence by abstracting the physical location of the data, and the virtualization system present to the user a logical space for data storage and itself handle the process of mapping it to the actual physical location. About the physical to virtual. Physical to virtual we will study here. Physical disk and present a simplified रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी टू एक्सटर्नल होस्ट। आपका डाटा जो है वो फिजिकली डिस्प्ले प्रेजेंट होता है एंड दैट सिंप्लीफाई आपकी जो भी रिप्रेजेंटेशन होती है, डाटा आपका किस तरह आपको व्यू होता है, कैपेसिटी उसके अकॉर्डिंग एक्सटर्नल होस्ट, ये सब चीज़ें मैनेज होती है इसमें। फिजिकल टू वर्चुअल मीन्स आपका डाटा फिजिकली है, बट हाउ टू बी वर्चुअल। वर्चुअल में क्या होता है, वर्चुअल में आप लॉजिकली सब कुछ देख पाते हैं, आप फील करेंगे आपका डाटा एक फिजिकली डिफरेंटली सेपरेट है, बट फिजिकली होता नहीं है आपका वर्चुअली में, दैट इज जस्ट इमेजिनरी व्यू, and physically that is actually data is in the physical format in which you can touch and feel. So physical disk and present a simplified representation of storage capacity to external host. आपका इसके अंदर जो है वो प्रेजेंट करता है आपका simplified presentation of storage capacity to be external host, and the host system, for example you can say that may initiate SCSI input output write 10 MB of data beginning at the specific storage block address. And from the standpoint of the host system, input output basically is performed to a single disk, and that can be managed by a single Linux, and that be target array. So from the standpoint of the storage controller, so storage address may be reality to be located within a sets of disk within the RAID definition. According to RAID definition, you can say. So here the elementary that provided by the RAID stripping and mirroring that relies basically on one level of abstraction between physical disk and the representation of a virtual disk asset. Here the agent of that abstraction is the RAID controller logic, which simply present the Linux composed to specify number of block to the host, and virtualization entity sitting between the storage array and the host. Example, see Leon that being advertised by the array. So the case of the RAID controller, the storage Leons are already to the product of one phase of the virtualization. Next, about the storage management integrity. Storage management integrity in which data is to be maintained here, not to be duplicacy should be there. डाटा आप जिस तरह स्टोर करते हैं, मेटा डाटा कंटेन इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द डाटा, सो इट दैट सर्व अटैच टू द स्टोरेज एंड थ्रू द वेराइटी ऑफ इंटरकनेक्ट्स एंड इंक्लूडिंग ट्रेडिशनल पैरेलल SSI serial connection such as you can say fiber channel and serial attached. Here in the storage integrity, that is simplicity, basically example you can say have convenient avoid the issue of where virtualization intelligence reside, as well as additional responsibility that virtualizer may assume. Mapping algorithm to convert like virtual block address into the real one are common to all virtualization technique. So it's including host network and storage solution can be say. So the mapping information and storage metadata that can be soul of the key of the unlock or the relationship between virtual storage and the real storage. That maintaining storage metadata integrity is completely the fact virtualization entity may not have full control over the SSI input output, and a upper layer of application may be cache multiple input output requests before handing them off to the operating system. Next is about the path storage. The path storage data is to be covered from the beginning to end at where you reach point. So the basic division between internal compute resources and external peripheral require an input output mechanism for bridging between the host CPU plus its memory and external storage resources. बेसिकली टवर्ड्स से जो आपका डिवीजन की जाती है डाटा की इन द स्टोरेज, दैट इज ऑफ रिसोर्सेज अकॉर्डिंगली, बेसिकली एक्सटर्नल पेरिफेरल होते हैं जिसके अकॉर्डिंग हम ईजिली इनपुट आउटपुट का यूज़ कर सकते हैं, एंड दैट कैन बी मैकेनिज्म फॉर योर ब्रिंगिंग बिटवीन होस्ट CPU एंड प्लस इट्स मेमोरी, दैट एक्सटर्नल स्टोरेज रिसोर्सेज आर हियर. बस ऑन CPU, दैट मदरबोर्ड, बस मीन्स बेसिकली हियर अ वायर जो आपके CPU और मदरबोर्ड्स में लिंक होती है. फॉर एग्जांपल सपोर्ट्स मल्टीपल अडेप्टर कार्ड्स हो सकते हैं अटैच टू द फिजिकल स्टोरेज, and here the storage interconnect to the both hardware and software component on host side. That connectivity may be enabled by the hardware component such as you can say host bus adapter or conventionally CSA fiber channel or network interface card. Here, each vendor adapter card is typically can be accompanied by a vendor specific software device driver and that return to the unique requirement of the operating system storage driver. Storage about storage ports in which you connect the data storage. That storage array provide external interface for connectivity to servers or storage network. Here, outwards interface may be parallel SCSI fibers channel, gigabits, Ethernet, serial attached to SCSI or other interface, but it typically fibers the channel for higher and array and SCSI for mine to low end arrays. It's very clear to you आपका array sequence wise में होता है, that is beginning from to where it will required, and it's in the port format where the storage over the network, and it's very parallelly connect with the various fiber and the channels over the Ethernet. And each storage port has processed the logic that may be responsible for executing the appropriate transport protocol for storage connection. And because of this transport protocol that is standard based, and there's a little opportunity for proprietary the value and that add the storage port basically. This is the exercise, then you can try it by yourself. Is the what is the use of block aggregation and how the path to storage is the relevant to get the data. This is all about today's session. We are winding up here. Thank you so much. Happy learning. We learn.